Today we will talk about a very important topic that is called ableism. It's not that difficult topic. Ableism, A-B-L-E, able-ism, I-S-M. You might have predicted already that it has something to do with ability. Yes, you are right. Ableism and ability. Ableism celebrates, if not privileges, the idea of ability. You may recall that we have already seen the concept of normalcy, and normalcy is a modern invention that is from 18th century onwards. When statistics came, so did the notion of normalcy. That we have seen already. But now, the idea of ability. Okay, what about it? Well, I am able to give a lecture. I am already using the word able. You can see that. It talks about my ability, cognitive ability, bring ideas together, present in a very coherent fashion, talk for half an hour, and things like that. Or ability to speak in English in particular, and ability of this kind are millions and millions, meaning ability for sport, ability for caring, ability for this and that, and so on. What about it? Well, one can in some sense take stock of it. What is it? In what way it is important to understand its implications, and so on. That is what you call ability. Okay? Make no mistake, ability as a notion is actually not static all the time. For example, the idea of ability during the pre-modern, modern or the postmodern era is not same. How do I know? Well, consider these examples. Let me take a classical Tamil poet. I mean, Tamil folks who are listening to this lecture knows at least one line about a Tamil poet called Avvaiyar. She is famous for Tamil literature which has to do with ethics, aram, way of living, and so on. She belongs to the pre-modern period during the Sangam literature. Okay, so we are talking in the range of 2 millennia. Okay, before she says about her society. In one such literature of ethics, she says something like this: Aridu aridu manidaradal aridu. Then the poem goes on, that is, to be born as a human is a rare, precious gift. And she goes on to say, Kun kurudu sevidu ningi pirattal aridu, means if being born as a human is rare, even so rare is to be born without a hunchback, deafness and blindness. Wow, this is very important. It not only speaks, you may say Avvaiyar as a poet is ableist and she is having masculine patriarchal ideas about her period. I wouldn't go that far. I would say she is making a sociological commentary about her time. Maybe there was poverty around, and because of poverty, people were born deaf and became hunch, or they had spinal cord issue of some kind, and so on. So, this is one thing. Let me go to another pre-modern example, Manusmriti, or laws of Manu. Laws of Manu actually is about the right mode of living, and also about how to live this life with mutual respect, among many other things. One of the edicts in laws of Manusmriti says that being disabled, deaf or blind, is in this birth because it is a retribution for the sins of the past. Oh yeah, you might be reminded of the karma. Karma is a moral order. If you like, we are all governed by moral order of some kind, assumes the karma doctrine. And the doctrine also says, in this larger scheme of things, in the large moral order, one is being part of the whole. If you have been bad to someone yesterday, you may as well reap for it today, if not tomorrow. And there is no one birth cycle in that moral order, and you may be reborn and the rebirth may reflect sins and virtues of the past, and so on. Well, it is hard to believe in this kind of things in 21st century, but remember, boys and girls of that period took it very seriously. Karma principle is still 21st century, still many millions believe in it, astrology and so on. To understand this, it seems few lines about what is pre-modern, modern and postmodern will help. One of the things that ruled the pre-modern is that it was not modern. Well, Hemchandra, you are, indulging in tautology. Well, maybe, but the fact is, pre-modern was not ruled by science, and science has intellectual investment in the idea that senses alone can perceive reality, or rationality alone. Senses or rational logic is the way to knowledge. For example, optical sense, if you see, and seeing may involve a binocular, a radio telescope that can see beyond 13.6 billion years away in time and space, okay? Or it can involve a microscope, and the microscope can see the tiniest of the virus or bacteria. Similarly, hearing, touch. Advaita principle would say God is everything, this chair and around. Science would argue, well, not really, I can't touch God. So, pre-modern, on the other hand, was not ruled by science. I am not trying to say the pre-moderns, boys and girls of that time, did not have a rational mind. No, not at all. It is just that they were ruled by the cosmological order. Faith and moral order ruled them. Sins, virtues, gods, goddesses, belief system, and so on. That's more. And the pre-modern, one of the other things involved interdependence. We talk about where in the modern time maximum we can extend to joint family, but pre-modern was much more than that. They had a whole community, a village, they knew each other's family and so on. You may say, in my village it is also like that. Yes, pre-modern traces do exist even now. Nothing dies fully, okay. Come to the modern. Modern, by and large, it is when disciplines started becoming branches, sciences became its center. Modern also gave rise to individualism, that I, the individual, my priorities, my heart, my consciousness, my point of view, my and my. That's modern. Well, why am I talking about ableism, pre-modern and so on? Avayar and Manusmriti are placing disability in some sense, some kind of a moral order. Although Avayar is, say, talking about it is rare to be born as a human without blindness and deafness and so on, she is actually making a social commentary rather than a castigating or negative remark on people with disability. Well, that's not the case with the modern. Ever since sciences start ruling, ever since disciplines started becoming isolated and autonomous, ever since one's productivity, say my capacity or ability to give a lecture like this, began being privileged, so became ability as a central point of view. In the classical past or pre-modern time, ability may have denoted moral order or even a character sketch. For example, Kaikeyi had a hunchback and automatically connected to her capacity to deceive people and so on. Well, that reference apart, in the modern time, ability has become intrinsic to one's individuality, sense of autonomy, and capacity to perform. If you like, in the modern times, ability also has become synonyms to one's the idea of will and the capacity to enter social contracts with that will, ability to own property, ability to get into a marriage relationship, friendship, ability to sign a contract, say a legal document. Now we are getting into the heart of the problem. So, if this is the situation after the 18th century, then ability more than karma and the rest are ruling us. It is a sort of thing that categorizes people. For example, many of you are listening to me, and among you many would have felt I am a first ranker, I am an IITian, I am a student of medicine, I am more intelligent, I am less intelligent. I am one of those beautiful kinds. I am one of those dull varieties. You see, this is the problem. It can potentially instill bias, if not outright, excommunication or outright discrimination. When did this start? I said 18th century, but more precisely, it's an Enlightenment ideal. I'm not trying to say this is a Western phenomenon and we Indians are free from it, far from it. Think about this 1727 Oxford English Dictionary definition of ability or able-bodiedness. It referred to those who are fit, healthy, physically robust, free from physical disability. That's fine. That means this is not only referring to ability means not being disabled, but it also means that one is sort of free, fit, healthy, and so on. If one is fit and healthy, one can work with clockwork precision and so on. Now, having described that, why ability or ableism is an important framework for disability studies, and much more. In fact, besides normalcy, ability may be described as a central notion to describe many problems, the problems of marginalization, problems of discrimination, oppression, and even affirmative action across disciplines and isms. It is because it is closely connected to the notion of productivity that is doing the rounds today. Well, is it the same ability in 18th century as it is now? No. During the industrial revolution time, ability was firmly connected to one's capacity to deploy body and mind within the industry framework, the factory, the continuity framework, and so on. In 19th century, in the colonies and beyond, it was more or less same, but capacities of the mind got inducted into it. So much that women, people who were poor, economically deprived, people who looked different, racial minorities, were given attribution that their minds have inferior abilities, called otherwise as idiots, within quotation. In 20th century, early 20th century until mid 20th century, two world wars, mind you, shook this world, particularly the Western world. And the fallout of the World War, well, millions of soldiers came back with a disability. Now, people who were hitherto considered perfectly able-bodied people became, alas, disabled. They had a sense of victimhood and they complained, well, this is unfair. So far you have considered me able-bodied. Now we just have 10 minutes left. Now let me quickly go through the 20th century. In mid and late 20th century, with the arrival of electronic technologies, virtual realities, video gaming and all that, ability is taking new turns. Now dexterity of the fingers is much important, because even a 5-year-old is expected to use a mobile. Now we have simulations and so on. Now we simulate ability actually in creating avatars, in creating ourselves, and creating the idea of ability is getting into the virtual world. Now what is ability's connection with ableism? Well, it is this: having established that ability is a notion is so important for all the structures of the world, mundane as philosophical, ableism is an idea that to privilege ability alone or able-bodiedness alone is an act of discrimination, is an act of undue disadvantaging someone. To acknowledge that idea in law, philosophy, sciences and many others, we need this notion called ableism. It is somewhat akin to ageism, discrimination based on age, and casteism, discrimination based on caste. Having said that, in the second part of the lecture, we will see what are the kinds of ableism. Maybe I have 3 examples. We will see each other shortly. Thank you.